soft as the night before the storm. Early autumn breeze, you're calling me, rustling the trees like a melody. Early autumn breeze, so wild, so free. You're the song that sets my soul to sea. Golden light spills across the ground. Every step makes a crunching sound. Shadows stretch, they lean and sway, dancing to the tune of a fading day. Oh, when that steals my breath away. Tell me where you've been today. Were you running through the hills or kissing rivers just for thrills? Early autumn breeze, you're calling me, rustling the trees like a melody. Early autumn breeze, so wild, so free. You're the song that sets my soul to sea. Blow through my heart, leave your trace, carry me far to a quiet place. Early autumn breeze, don't let me go. You're the only rhythm I need to The leaves are whispering in gold and red. The sky's a canvas where the sun is bled. A breeze like laughter skips through the trees. Early autumn bright, a quiet tease. Early autumn bright, it's holding tight to the fading glow of summer's light. It's a song you hum, it's a fleeting sight. Early autumn bright, oh, it feels so right. whispers on the breeze tonight. Trees undress under fading light. Crunch of footsteps where shadows meet. The earth sighs beneath my feet. Oh, autumn, you thief of green, turning life to a smoky dream, stealing days like they're too sweet. Wrapped tight like secret tales, pumpkins grin from crooked rails. The wind hums songs of days long gone, and I hum along, but the words feel wrong. The air bites sharp and lean, a cool breath cuts the scene. Oh, autumn, you thief of green, turning life to a smoky dream, stealing days like they're too sweet. Oh, autumn, we always meet. Red and yellow, fire in disguise, kisses, cold cheeks, tears from my eyes. Is it goodbye or just hello? Seasons fade, but we both know. Oh, autumn, you thief of green, turning life to a smoky dream, stealing days like they're too sweet. Oh, autumn, we always meet. We always meet. We always
Leaves are dancing down the street, crimson whispers under my feet. A breeze hums low, it carries dreams, silent wishes sown in seams. Autumn hope, it lingers here in the golden light, the crisp air clear. Hold on tight, the season speaks. Autumn hope, it paints our cheeks. A pumpkin moon hangs in the sky, lantern stars just passing by. Clouds like blankets, gray and thin. The cold outside feels warm within. The trees let go
Leaves are falling one by one, whispering secrets to the sun. Golden dreams scattered, undone. Autumn winds, they call my name, soft and wild, never tame. Round and round, the seasons spin. Autumn winds, let me in. Crisp air bites but feels so kind, chasing shadows, losing time. Every breath tastes like the sky. Branches creak, the earth replies. Tell me where the magic lies. Autumn winds, they call my name, soft and wild, never tame. Round and round, the seasons spin. Autumn winds, let me in. Spin me round, leaves on fire. Take me higher, take me higher. A fleeting moment, a fleeting flame, and nothing will ever stay the same. Autumn winds, they call my name, soft and wild, never tame. Round and round, the seasons spin. Autumn winds, let me in. Autumn winds, let me
The leaves are whispering in gold and red. The sky's a canvas where the sun is bled. A breeze like laughter skips through the trees. Early autumn bright, a quiet tease. Early autumn bright, it's holding tight to the fading glow of summer's light. It's a song you hum, it's a fleeting sight. Early autumn bright, oh it feels so right. Barefoot on a path of crackling brown, the scent of earth
sharp and lean. A cool breath cuts the scene. Oh, autumn, you thief of green, turning life to a smoky dream, stealing days like they're too sweet. Autumn, autumn, we always meet. Red and yellow, fire in disguise. Kisses, cold cheeks, tears from my eyes. Is it goodbye or just hello? Seasons fade, but we both know.
Leaves are falling like golden dreams. A rustle whispers through the streams. The air's a song you can't quite hold. A quiet warmth in the sudden cold. Autumn hope, it fills my chest. A fleeting fire that never rests. The world may fade, the trees may bend, but autumn hope begins again. Clouds are heavy, but they don't cry. The sun just winks and says goodbye. A pumpkin glow on every hill. Time slows down, but it never stands still. Autumn hope, it fills my chest. A fleeting fire that never rests. The world may fade, the trees may bend, but autumn hope begins again. Barefoot steps through the amber maze, chasing echoes of warmer days. But even shadows know the way to light the spark of what could stay. Autumn hope, it fills my chest. A fleeting fire that never rests. The world may fade, the trees may bend, but autumn hope begins again. But autumn hope begins again.
Leaves are whispering secrets low. Early autumn breeze starts to show. Chill in the air, but it feels so warm, soft as the night before the storm. Early autumn breeze, you're calling me, rustling the trees like a melody. Early autumn breeze, so wild, so free. You're the song that sets my soul to sea. Golden light spills across the ground. Every step makes a crunching sound. Shadows stretch, they lean and sway, dancing to the tune of a fading day. Oh, wind that steals my breath away, tell me where you've been today. Were you running through the hills or kissing rivers just for thrills? Early autumn breeze, you're calling me, rustling the trees like a melody. Early autumn breeze, so wild, so free. You're the song that sets my soul to sea. Blow through my heart, leave your trace, carry me far to a quiet place. Early autumn breeze, don't let me go. You're the only rhythm I need to
Leaves are falling like golden dreams. A rustle whispers through the streams. There's a song you can't quite hold, a quiet warmth in the sudden cold.